Okay, hey, this is a VersaTube 24 by 51 building that we converted into an apartment. And so we did this garage door thing here where when he leaves for the summer, he can pull his garage doors down and he can lock his doors up. He can completely lock it down where nobody can get into it. And when he gets here for the winter, he puts them back up, and then he can have his doors open, his windows, so it acts just like a regular apartment. So come on in. Okay, so this is his apartment. You can see we have French doors here that open outward, and it goes to his patio. That way he can keep his doors open if he needs to when he has his get-togethers to watch movies or just dinner nights or whatever. The 5-foot French back doors, that door here is going to lead out. Eventually he's going to have a hot tub out there. And we have our mini split, 2-ton mini split that we put in. All our LED lights, our kitchen, which you can see the kitchen here. It comes in, he's got all the LED lights, fixtures, lights outside. Everything's custom in here. We completely built it this summer, so it's to what they wanted. They've been real happy with it. So this is the 1-bedroom part. We put a nice little pantry over here. It was just an add-on so they could have their pantry in this little area. And mind you, this is in a VersaTube. No different here. The same thing. This door opens up. You got the same system with the garage door. It will pull down and lock it up. And then he can shove the doors and lock them. We've even put the doors in and have the blinds that go either way, whichever he wants. And laminate flooring, the plank flooring. And then you follow me. This is his bedroom. Of course, this is his TV, which we put a bunch of blocks in the wall here. Now, mind you, this is all conventional framing. It's all 2x6, 2x4. The joists are 16-inch tall, run the full length. So it's completely solid. The ceiling's got R38 insulation. The walls got 6-inch insulation with the air gap with a probably 2 or 3 inch spray foam on the walls. So that's why it's so comfortable in here. I don't know if he's ever gonna have to use his mini split or not, but it's there if he needs it. And then you got the bedroom. Gotta remember where my light switches are. So you got the bedroom here, which is leads to the outside wall. So we did something custom for him here. Basically, we made the wall go on an angle per his design, so he could open the door all the way back and it would open up clear to here, so it wouldn't be interfering with the framing. If we put the framing clear out to here, the door would hit the framing. So we had to customize this so the door would come back all the way in. Then they've got their little master closet, which is kind of cool. And these all we built in with pocket doors. So they all come with pocket doors in here. This one here. And then since this is a pocket door and we wanted to do the TV mount on this wall, we had to custom frame this with plywood and bracing to go from the top of the plate to the bottom of the plate, because you can't attach to the pocket door frame. So that allows us to get the TV mount in here. That's why it's kind of, if you look, it's popped out about 1.5 inches, which allows him to put his TV here. Got another mini split here in his bedroom. It's a 1-ton. And then we'll walk right around here and we'll show you the bathroom. So here you got the bathroom in it, and we'll turn the lights on. And it's got the toilet and all his cabinets, lighting, got the grab bars, the nice shower with the nice shower doors, vanity. I mean, as you can see, it is a full-blown apartment. They're extremely happy. This door here goes out to the garage. So there's always a fire exit, regardless where you go. There's a fire exit out of the building. So there's no windows in here because there's actually 2 doors. So it's nice. You got the exhaust fan, light, a heater. Yeah, it was a very nice job this summer we did, and so can't wait to do the next one on the VersaTube. So your only limit is your imagination, what you can do on a VersaTube building. So people ask me all the time, can you attach this to it? You can build what you want in the inside. I just use a conventional framing on the inside. That way the drywall had no problem. Everything was nice and straight. It's kind of separate from the metal framing. But you can see it actually turned out really nice. All the trim, the doors. The pocket door right here in the bathroom. So they do have a pocket door here. And we kind of made the doorways 3 foot wide on purpose because of a possible wheelchair accessible later on in life. That's why this wide at the toilet, wide on the doors, they're all 3 foot wide. So we did the same thing on the wall. Same diagram, just so they could open the door up all the way up so the door will. Then he put a Murphy bed in here. We got the attic, called attic space. Got the LED lights, closet, little bathroom right there, 1-ton mini split, which probably will freeze you out of here. And then the same thing, once he locks the door, the security string's locked and it's building secure. So there's nothing you can't do with them. You just gotta have imagination and be willing to try it. But once again, it's spray foamed. It's got conventional framing, conventional floor joists. I think these are 2x10s, but it's still R38 insulation, which is 12 inches thick, so it's really quiet and economical. But it's a good looking little building. Well, like I said, we took this idea from a building I did down the street. It wasn't VersaTube Building, but it was one down there. He came down, he goes, "Yeah, so I come down there, he has all these lines drawn out." And I'm like, yep, we're building it. We're going to do it.